Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how the audio for a student looks. So I am going to start a student pace lesson that was launched by Michelle to show you all how I'm going to record an open-ended question that she asks all the students to answer. So here I am in my first and join lesson. And I'm just going to quickly go through the lesson. So we were supposed to watch this video. And after this video, there is a question. What is explain arms? So there's an acronym in the video. So instead of typing my answer, which we all have done, some people who have used Nearpod in the past have asked the students to type their answer. They now have the option to record their answer. So I am going to record my answer for this question that was asked by the teacher to the students. Arms means A, add sentences to words to expand meaning. R, remove unnecessary sentences and words. M, move paragraphs, sentences, and words for organization. S, substitute sentences and words with other sentences and words and or antonyms. Now I finished recording and I clicked stop. I am satisfied with what I created, what I recorded. So I'm going to submit and I am done. So now students have the option of not only typing in their answers, but they can also record their answers. And they can also go back and edit the answer if they don't like what they said. All right, that's it. Bye.